morning to all of you. Myself Priyanka Joshi. Now students, as we have already completed the chapter 2, that is the nutrition in animals, in our previous video. So students, today we will discuss the exercise of the chapter. Okay, so please, I am requesting you all, open your NCERT science book, page number 20. I am discussing the questions. Please listen it carefully. Now, in your exercise, the first question is fill in the blanks. So, the first fill in the blanks is the main steps of nutrition in humans are. This I have told you already. We have discussed the steps of digestion. Okay, so the steps of nutrition and the steps of digestion are the same. Clear? So there are the 5 steps. What are these? Number 1, first one is ingestion. That is taking of food from the mouth. Okay, so first ingestion. Second one, digestion. When the food enters inside the mouth, the digestion starts. Okay. Now the third one is absorption. Now the absorption of food particles takes place. Fourth one is assimilation. And the fifth one is egestion. Okay. So these are the 5 steps of nutrition, or you can say digestion. So in your first fill the blanks, these 5 points are the answer. Okay. Now the next second question is the largest gland in the human body is. What is the largest gland of human body? That is the liver. Okay. So the answer is liver. Liver is the largest gland. Now the third fill the blanks. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. Okay, so the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and which juices? The digestive juices. So in fill in the blanks third, the answer is digestive juices. Clear? Now the fourth one. Fourth one is the inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called villi. Okay, these villi increases the absorption area. These are the finger-like outgrowths like this. These are the villi. Okay. Fifth one is amoeba digest its food in the dash. कहाँ digest करता है amoeba food को? In the food vacuole. Now this only is the fifth one. Okay. Now this is all about the fill-ups. Now question number 2. In question number 2, you have the true false. Clear? So we will discuss the true false, that the first digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is it true or false? Beta, it is false. The starch digestion starts from the mouth itself. The saliva mix the food. ठीक है, saliva started the digestion of starch. So the starch digestion starts in the mouth itself. So the first in the true false is the false. Okay, this one is the false one. Second, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. This is true. Yes, tongue helps in mixing of food with the saliva. Okay. Now the third one, the gallbladder temporarily stores bile. True. Gallbladder में ही bile juice store होता है. Okay. This I have discussed in the video. Okay. Last one is the ruminants bring back solid grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Yes, true. I have already told you in the video, the partially digested food is known as cud, C-U-D, cud, and the cud returns back to the mouth of the cows and the cow starts chewing it again. And this process is known as rumination, R-U-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. This is the rumination. Okay, so this fill in the blanks is true. Now you have to give the correct answer. Okay, I am reading it. Fat is completely digested in the. Fat का complete digestion कहाँ होता है? That in stomach, in mouth. Third one is the small intestine and the fourth one is the large intestine. So the fats are completely digested in small intestine. Okay. Now the second one is water from the undigested food is stored mainly in the. Where the undigested food, water from the undigested food is stored? Is it in stomach? No. In food pipe? No. Small intestine? No. The last one is the large intestine. It is the correct answer. Okay. Now match of the following. Your fourth one is match of the following. The carbohydrates are matches with the sugar, proteins with amino acids, fats with fatty acids and glycerol. Okay. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th is what are villi? I have told you just now. What are villi? What is their location and functions? So students, what are the villi? Villi are the finger-like projections. They are present in small intestine and they increase the absorption area. Okay, these are the finger-like projections present in the small intestine and they increase the absorption area. Okay, so the next question is where is the bile produced? Which component of food does it help to digest? So where biles are produced? Bile is produced in the liver and the bile juice is stored in sac called the gall bladder. It helps in the digestion of fats. Okay. So your 7th question is name the type of carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Give the reason also. Okay. What is the answer? I know maximum students know this answer. The carbohydrate is the cellulose. ठीक है, cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminant but not by the humans. Okay. So why humans are unable to digest the cellulose? Because humans lack cellulase enzyme required to digest the cellulose. ठीक है, in the body of human these cellulase enzymes are not present. Okay, so our body is not able to digest the cellulase. Okay, so the grass eating animals that are the ruminants have the digestive cellulase digestive enzyme and they have the special structure that is the which one is this the structure that the sac like structure that is known as the rumen. Okay, so the rumen is present in the grass eating animals where the curd is formed, the partially digested food is formed. Okay, so this is also the difference between the digestive system of ruminants and the human beings is that the presence of rumen in case of ruminants. Okay, so your next question is question number 8. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? You have seen बेटा कभी भी अगर रेस होती है तो रेस में we have given the ग्लूकॉन डी, ग्लूकोज दिया जाता है, ठीक है. तो why the glucose give us the instant reaction? ओके, इंस्टेंट एनर्जी हमें कैसे मिलती है ग्लूकोज से? व्हाई? तो ग्लूकोज इज ए सिंपल शुगर विच इज इजिली एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ब्लड. ठीक है, ग्लूकोज क्या है? इट इज अ सिंपल टाइप ऑफ शुगर, इट इज इजिली एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ब्लड, वेयर एज द अदर कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर फर्स्ट broken down into the glucose and then absorbed by the body. ठीक है, then its utilization takes place, whereas the glucose is absorbed directly by the blood. Okay, so this is your 8th question. Now the question number 9th. So students, before starting the question number 9, please see in your books the question number 10, that is the write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and in human beings. So students, you have to do this question by your own and please write the answer of this question in your rough notebook, not in fair. ठीक है, you should write the answer in your rough notebook. ठीक है, you have to write similarity and the differences also. ठीक है, one similarity and the one difference, the nutrition in amoeba and in ह्यूमन बींग्स. एमीबा के केस में क्या होता है, ठीक है, कैसे एमीबा अपना न्यूट्रिशन लेता है, एंड इन केस ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स व्हाट हैपन, व्हाट आर दी सिमिलैरिटीज एंड व्हाट आर दी डिफरेंसेस. सो प्लीज ट्राई टू डू दिस आंसर एंड राइट इट इन योर रफ नोटबुक. क्लियर? आई हैव डिस्कस दिस आंसर विद यू इन our Google Meet. Okay, so please do it, everybody do it in your rough notebook. Okay, so next question. Now the question number 9. Okay, so which part of the digestive canal is involved in? You have to tell, these are some points, so you have to tell which part of the digestive canal involved in the particular one. Okay, so the first one is absorption of food. So in which part of the digestion the absorption of food is take place? Absorption of food is take place in the small intestine. Okay, so the correct answer is small intestine. Next, chewing of food. From where the chewing of food take place? Simple, it is in buccal cavity. This is in buccal cavity. Now the next, third one is killing of bacteria, where the bacteria are killed in the digestive canal. So the bacteria are killed in stomach. Fourth one is complete digestion of food. So where the complete digestion of food takes place, the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine itself. Okay, small intestine. Next, fifth one, formation of feces. So where the formation of feces, or you can say the fecal matter takes place, the formation of fecal matter takes place in the large intestine. Large intestine. Clear? So students, these are the questions. Please do these questions in your fair notebook, and the question number 5, 6, 7, 8 I am sending you in the PDF form. Do it in your fair notebook. Okay. So student, rest questions we are discuss in another video in our next class. Okay. So student, this is all for today. I hope you all understand this, and please read and learn these question answers. Okay. Please try to do it by your own firstly. After that, take help of this answer key. Okay. So student, this is all for today. Be safe and be healthy. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you.